Hi, this is Mr. Lima with a lesson plan for his Woodland Park Middle School 7th grade science students in the week of May 8th of Remote Learning 2020. I want to start by saying once again that the focus on this end of the year is to finish strong in content assessments. And so that means that our weekly challenges is meant for fun. It is to give you something hands-on that you can do it from home. Now, it is true that you can also choose to do them to improve cognitive skill scores. However, this is not required. So please don't submit empty or blank assignments. That just makes my life harder. You don't need to do that because after the deadline, I will exempt all students that do not turn them in. And you can still actually afterwards decide to turn it in. Just do so in a Google Classroom and I'll still go back and grade it. But remember that you should prioritize working on power focus areas for science and other subjects before you decide to do so. Or if you have extra time. But if you have extra time to work on it, or you already have everything else under control and you want to do something fun, which has the option of improving your cog skill score, go ahead and do it. This week's challenge is a flower dissection. It also ties well with the power focus area we're trying to do right now. But if you do it, you can also improve your making inferences cognitive skill. I will not spend any class time talking about it because it is an optional assignment. You can watch the video if you're interested in doing so. I'd also like to remind you guys that we have workshops this week for science power focus areas. On Tuesday, there's going to be one on matter cycling energy flow, the organisms PFA. It's going to be at 2 o'clock. And on Wednesday, there is another one on the structure of life at 1:30. And on Thursday, structure and properties of matter at 2:30. Now, there's a sign up on the website on the Google Classroom that you can use to let me know that you're coming. I posted on the stream on Monday. The link is also on the classwork view near the top. But you do not need to do it. If you just show up, I'll be more than happy to help you. But it does help you figure out how many people are coming so I can prepare for it. Now, this class, we're going to do the third part of our vaping lesson. And we're going to talk about other health risks associated with vaping. And then I'm going to want you guys to answer a question that's posted on the Google Classroom. For the remainder of the class, I will stay behind and help people that have any questions about the challenge of the week, previous projects, their overall grade, or any PFAs. And if there's enough interest, I will do a workshop on growth and development of organisms if at least 5 people stay behind to do that. Now, expectations for this week is for you to, if you have not yet completed your end-of-year reflection that we did about 2 weeks ago, please do so. Also, work towards completing a science PFA. And if you've already done all of the above, consider doing a cog skill recovery assignment, one of these mini projects that we've done in the last couple of weeks, or work ahead of time and try to look on the additional focus areas if you have finished the year on every single thing for all the other subjects as well. And that will include also working on the challenge of the week. But remember to prioritize passing PFAs for all classes and perhaps working on other classes if your science grade is already good and you have lower grades in other classes. Do remember that I'm available on office hours every morning from 8:45 to 9:45 to help you with anything you need. And you can also email me if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you very much. I hope you have a great week and don't do anything that would make your mama proud.